Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good afternoon, good evening to you all. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Joel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Happy celebration to us all. We can see we are seeing the euphoria of the anniversary celebration. Things are getting better, guys. And I want you to believe in yourself. The more belief you have in yourself, the more belief you have in the TBC community. And the more we move forward, we move higher, and we move to a greater height. This morning, I will be speaking on abundance mentality. Abundance mentality. There is a quotation ascribed to Orison Sweet Madden. Says, our thoughts and imaginations are the only real limit to our possibilities. Our thoughts and imaginations. Did you believe in yourself? What are those thoughts and what are those imaginations that you picture on daily and on a regular basis? Will it surprise you to hear that you have more than you could ever need today? All around you is abundance of all you require to make your day bright and fulfilling. The strength to do your duty daily, to do your daily chores, a place of opportunity at work, to discharge your responsibilities, a family at home to share fun with, and friends at work to support you, no matter who you are or what you are experiencing. What you have is more than what you lack. You only need to believe in yourself. You have a sound mind to think your life through. You have ears to hear all the melodies that surrounds you all the time. You have eyes to see all the beauties that exist. You have mouth to share your thoughts, think, and eat all the goodies that you can think of. You can use your hands and legs. You have all the time to do those things that are important to you. Now you ask me, Joel, how about those things that I still need? Like more money to meet my financial needs, and more prestige to boost my ego. Are they not important to you? Yes, that is what many people will be asking presently. As you are listening to me right now, I want you to know that, of course, yes, they are important. My friend, until you learn to appreciate what you have, you may not get what you want. If you see life as abundance, it will yield abundantly. But if you see it as scarce, you will receive a short supply. Don't ever forget this. What you have is more than what you lack. That is why you must believe in yourself. Believe that you can achieve it. And this is one of the cardinal point and cardinal focus of the Kringle community. We believe in ourselves. We believe we can change the world to a better place. We believe we can change the inequality. We believe that abundance is available. Abundance is real. And abundance is available to all. We believe in ourselves. So as you are listening to me this morning, I want you to believe in yourself. So you are passing through, you are facing right now, believe in yourself that you will come out of it. You will succeed. Believe in yourself. There is a God-given ability in you. Bring it out and believe. And it will be a success for you. Thank you very much for listening to this broadcast. I want you to, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, click on that bell by your right hand side and subscribe to the channel to always have a first-hand notification whenever any broadcast is uploaded. Thank you very much. I wish you a wonderful and a glorious day. Don't forget, believe in yourself.